Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Anushka. Welcome to my channel. Ooh. And thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day baking vlog type of style. So I asked you guys on Instagram kind of like what video you guys wanted to see me do this weekend, and this is what you guys voted. So basically we're going to be doing cupcakes and cake pops, and we're going to make them all like Valentine's Day themed, and we're going to be doing gum paste and buttercream and all this crazy stuff. So we're going to get into it, and before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I post TikToks daily, so if you want to catch up with me, definitely go follow me on there. And yeah, happy Valentine's Day in advance, and let's just get started. Ooh, look at this lighting. Get it? Okay, anyway, so basically we're gonna start with the cupcakes. The batter for the cupcakes and the batter for the cake pops. So I'm gonna make all the batter first, clear all that stuff out of the way, then we'll get started with the buttercream and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I'm doing, and I'll kind of pop in here as we go. And I'm gonna try to film all the talking parts so that you guys know like what's happening and you're not just like watching me just like do random things. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and yeah, let's start with the batter, and then I will just make the buttercream, which if you saw my last video, like the cupcake video, it's the same buttercream, it's just a vanilla buttercream. So I'll probably just speed through that, you know the drill, and yeah, let's just get started. I'll put the recipes in the description, and yeah. Okay guys, so I thought I'd pop on here and do a little voiceover while we're doing this baking. So here I'm making some eggless chocolate cupcakes, and actually this recipe was really good especially for being eggless, so you guys should definitely check it out if you are into eggless alternatives, and I'm putting the recipe in the description down below. So as you can see, I just made the batter. I'm just spooning it into my little liners, and then I'm going to go ahead and start on the Funfetti cake batter. So it's for the cake pops, and I will also link this in the description. Super fun and everything. So I'll let you guys just tune in for a little, and then I'll be back in just a few seconds so we can do the buttercream. Okay guys, I'm back. Really quick, we're just going to do the buttercream. I had the recipe in my last video, but basically it's super simple. I'll just put it up on the screen so that you guys can see it. And yeah, there you go, super easy American buttercream. Okay guys, so I just finished the batter and the buttercream, and so we're going to move on to decorating. So for the cupcakes, here's the plan. So we're going to do, some of them are going to be cookies and cream, some of them are going to be vanilla, and I decided, you know, I'm just going to kind of play around with the decorations. I might make some chocolate hearts, or I might do some gum paste hearts, and then maybe some mini buttercream roses. You'll kind of see as I'm going, like what I decided to do, but that's for that. And then for the cake pops, I'm going to do those after. All I'm doing, I've never made cake pops before, so I'm kind of like new to this, but you know, let's try it out. So what we're gonna do is you take the cake and the buttercream, and then you kind of like mix it together. I'll show you guys as I'm doing it, and then you put it on the sticks, and you have to dip it in the chocolate, like the white chocolate or something, and then you have to like stick them into something. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna stick them into, but yeah, and then we're just going to decorate them. So we're going to get started with decorating everything, which is probably the part that you guys want to see. So I kind of go into depth, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so now we're going to decorate the cupcakes. So I'm using a Wilton 1M tip here, and I'm piping on a swirl. As you can see, the buttercream actually turned out to be really smooth, so I was so happy with it. And the trick to getting it smooth is to make sure you put enough heavy cream. Don't skimp on the heavy cream, you know. Then I'm making a cookies and cream version, so I basically just took a little portion of that American buttercream and just started sifting in black cocoa powder. You could put Oreo crumbs in there as well, but sifting in black cocoa powder just allows the buttercream to stay smooth, so you don't get it all like Oreo-y, I don't know, but it still tastes exactly like cookies and cream, so definitely try that out. And you can put as much black cocoa powder as you want. There's really no like limits or anything. Then I started cutting the Oreos to kind of put on the cookies and cream cupcakes. Thought that was super cute. And I also dusted them with rose gold. And I did the same thing for the pearls as well. And then I'm just throwing the Oreos on the cupcakes, and I think everything just turned out really adorable. And there's a snowplow going by my house. If you can hear that, I'm really sorry. Anyway, but yeah, then I just threw some pearls on there, and look how cute they are. I'm gonna kind of explain what I do in the next clip because it gets kind of hectic. But we're doing gum paste hearts. So basically, for the second cupcake, I wanted to kind of do a more like whimsical Valentine's Day type of deal. So I just cut out a bunch of these red, and then I did pink and like marble gum paste hearts, and they actually turned out adorable. So you can buy these cutters on Amazon. And then I made these envelopes. I just kind of went out on a whim and did this. Like, I didn't really know what I was doing, but it actually worked and it was so cute. So I made these little rectangles first out of like this pink marbled gum paste. Then I cut out a square and then cut that in half to get a triangle. And then you just have to kind of adjust the triangle, cut off some corners just to make it fit with the rectangle. Then brush it with some water and pop that right onto that rectangle. And look how adorable it is. And I just sealed it with a little heart. And I think these are actually the cutest things in the world. And yeah, you pop that on your cupcake, and you're going to add some little hearts or pearls or whatever you want to do. And I absolutely love these ones. So yeah, there you go. Okay, you guys, so I just finished with the cupcakes. I think they look adorable, and I'm going to insert pictures and everything so that you can see what they actually look like. But I'm going to now move on to doing the cake pops. So I explained them before, but now you'll kind of see me do them. So let's just hope for the best. I'm not really experienced at cake pops. Cupcakes I can do, but cake pops, I don't know. So let's just go ahead and try it out. Okay, so let me just explain what happened here with the cake pops. So basically, I made a mistake. I did not, when I actually crumbled the cake and the icing together, I did not use enough icing, and I should have used more because it just turned out to be a little too crumbly and not so smooth. So I would definitely recommend, I don't know how much icing you're supposed to use, but just keep going until you get a smooth dough. That's what I would have to recommend. Then I basically just did it as normal, and the chocolate I guess was fine, but since the actual cake pops were just not smooth, I just got a really funky type of shape, which you will see. But I tasted them and they were literally absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna put the recipe for the Funfetti cake in the description because they were so good. And so you can definitely make these, just try making them more smooth so they look pretty. But yeah, there you go, cake pops.
Bruh.
Wow, it is very sunny out today, so you can see it's a little bit of an issue, but I just finished with everything, pretty exhausted. This is what happens after you just bake and bake and bake and bake and bake. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little baking vlog. Happy Valentine's Day in advance. Also, next week's video, or like the week after that, and it's coming soon, is going to be so exciting. We're going to be hopping onto one of the trends that's been going around lately, so I'm so excited about it. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Valentine's Day gift. And yeah, have the best Valentine's Day. Enjoy. Please bake and leave it in the comments if you try any of these things that I tried today. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow on Instagram, TikTok, you know the drill, all of that stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and have a great Valentine's Day. Have the best day. Bye.